What can possibly cause this level of commitment and enthusiasm? Just to be at the same place at the same time. The answer is simple. The love and the boundless passion for these magnificent machines is what unites us all. Embracing this remarkable community, being an integral part of something greater than oneself, where we drive as a community,
Singe your eyebrows off. Wow. that was a mistake. Did that Porsche come up here? That one we saw when we were walking over?
I'll be around today. Okay. Hell yeah.
Morning, everybody. We had a deputy working for the Sheriff's Department. His name was Steve Parsons. He was assigned to the city of Laguna Hills on October 27, 1995. On June 24th, in the year 2000, he passed away as a result of a tragic car accident. So, if you wouldn't mind with me, folks, just let's take a moment in silence for him. Thoughts for him, thoughts for his family, and thoughts for the community. Thank you, everybody. And I do want to note that we have 6 motor deputies working today in the city of Laguna Hills. So we had a procession earlier this morning in honor of Steve Parsons, and they did the missing rider formation on the way to the site where he lost his life. So thank you, everybody, for joining with me in that moment of silence. We appreciate it.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to start by asking a question. Who was with us last year at car show number 2? Do you remember the weather? I think we were all dripping and trying not to pass out from the heat. So I, for one, am thankful that we have absolutely beautiful weather today. And we have some absolutely beautiful cars here with us today. And what's more American than a car show? I'm thinking about what Lizzie beautifully sang a few minutes ago, rather. And she talked about what is so dear to me as an American. It's the land of the free and the home of the brave. And we're going to be celebrating the 4th of July coming up soon. And that's the celebration, that's the holiday that we have as Americans to tell us how important it is to be free.
You want me to stay? I'll be around today. I'll be available for you to see. Yeah. I'll be around. Oh, and I'll be open for you. Get you now.
Third Annual Laguna Hills Car Show, fun for the whole family. Reverend up your engines and join us for the ultimate car show experience. From classic muscle cars to sleek modern designs, we've got it all. Don't miss out on the chance to see your dream cars up close and personal. Enjoy live music, lots of local businesses, prizes and delicious food. Grab your tickets now and join us for a day of high-octane fun.
That's important. Tons of fabulous things to do there and everything. And ended up thinking that I could have done it. Who's ever water bottle? Thank you.
That's all right, go get them.
Oh, red water beer.
They had the siren on top of it.
See you on the road.